make you stay. Oh, I can ease you of your pain.